Red Oleanders, a cultural organization of Shillong, organized annual program at Banjo Sahitya Porishad Shillong Auditorium on 22nd June 2024. Various organizations of Shillong took part in the multilingual program.
Where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is held forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that haven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake.